Welcome back. Now, it may be that you want to determine how you want to be notified for a particular project once you've actually started working with it. And in order to do that, you're going to go to this link that says Me, and then you're going to change your Basecamp settings. So you'll click that link. And what you'll notice is that unticked is email me if someone completes a to-do that I've added, as well as emailing a daily recap. Now you can choose to have those sent, or if you choose that you want to log into Basecamp every day, you can have these unticked. So really, these are only for tracking purposes, and if you're going to track by logging in, you won't need to have emails sent to you. You'll also notice that in the product notification settings that only some of our projects are sending us email even with this frequency. We can have it sent for all of our projects, or we can have it sent for some of our projects. And if we know that there's going to be one project that's going to be intensive in the number of emails that it's sending, we can choose to have that project unticked. And then Basecamp will only send us email at this frequency for the projects that we determine. So basically, the setting that you see right now will send you the least amount of email from Basecamp depending on what kind of projects that you have. However, if you're responsible for tracking the project, you are going to want to make sure that you are logging in, and there are some tools that Basecamp has which we will cover in the next video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.